To keep everything on one screen, you can minimize Docker, the terminal shells, both the Canton console and the YAML shell. Now that we have Quickstart installed and set up, let's navigate to localhost 3000 in your browser. We recommend using two different browsers, as we will be logging in as two users. For our example, we will use Firefox and Chrome. First, let's follow the login details on the page and log in as the app provider. Once in the app, navigate to the App Installs tab. Follow the note and run the command in a shell window to make a request to the app on behalf of the validator. The request submission will appear for the app provider. Once you see it, click Accept. In the same view, the actions will update, and you may then click Create License. Now that a license has been created, it needs to have an expiration time set. Head over to the Licenses tab and click Renewals on the license you just created. Then, click New to edit the renewal details. Descriptions of each field can be found in our documentation. You need to fill in the description to enable the Issue License Renewal Request. Once it looks good, issue the new renewal request and see that it is now in the awaiting status for the app user to accept. If you navigate to the Tenants tab, you can review your list of existing tenant registrations. Take a look at the app user's wallet link, as we will later play the user role and log into the wallet. Return to the Licenses tab to view the licenses metadata. This is the portion of the workflow that the app provider needs to do, and now we turn to the app user. Now, using the other browser, head over to localhost 3000 and log in as the app user. The tab headings are similar to the app provider's tabs. Under the Licenses tab, click Renewals to open the request modal. In this instance, we will renew the license using the Canton Coins wallet, as the Actions description says. Click on the Wallet hyperlink. Once the wallet opens in a new tab, log in as the app user using the same password. Ensure you are in the Wallet's Allocations tab. You will see the new allocation request on the license renewal. To accept the allocation request, you must first obtain some Canton Coin. Since we are on LocalNet, we can issue Canton Coin to ourselves. To do this, click on the Transactions tab of the wallet. Notice that your balance is 0 Canton Coin. There is a highlighted red box where we can simulate exchanging US dollars for Canton Coins. Enter 100 and click Tap to simulate exchanging $100 US for Canton Coin. Your balance should now be several thousand Canton Coin. Now go back to the Allocations tab and click Accept, and just below, a new allocation will appear. Go back to the application screen, and you will see that the license renewal request status is awaiting completion. The last step is for the app provider to complete the renewal request. Go back to the app provider's license renewal request screen and click Complete Renewal. Now you can see the license is active, and as an app user, the license is also updated as active. And that concludes our work on the application example. You've successfully created and activated a license with payment allocation in the Canton Coin wallet. But there is more to explore. We'll introduce you to two important tools, the Canton console and the YAML shell.